Welcome. If you're tired of seeing Instagram upload notifications popping up on your lock screen and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple, updated steps to turn off those Instagram upload notifications on your lock screen. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone's settings. This is where all your app preferences and notification controls live, so it's the best place to start customizing what you see. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. This area lets you manage every app installed on your device, including Instagram. Next, find and tap on Instagram from the list of apps. This will open up Instagram-specific settings, where you can control permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you, organized into categories. Look for the Uploads option under the Instagram Notifications section. This category controls the alerts you get when someone uploads a new photo or video. Tap on Uploads, and you'll see various notification settings related to this category. The key setting you want to find here is the Lock Screen option. Tap on Lock Screen, and you'll be presented with choices on how notifications appear when your phone is locked. To stop Instagram uploads from showing up on your lock screen, select Don't Show Notification. And that's it. By choosing Don't Show Notification on the lock screen for Instagram uploads, you'll no longer be interrupted by those alerts when your phone is locked. You can still receive notifications elsewhere, like in your notification shade or on your home screen, depending on your preferences. This simple adjustment helps keep your lock screen clean and your focus uninterrupted, especially if you find Instagram uploads popping up too frequently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful lock screen experience with Instagram. Don't forget to check your notification settings regularly to keep things just the way you like them.